Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Nerd Tech with Jack. Are you struggling with putting Drupal behind a proxy? Then this is a video you probably should watch. First of all, Drupal needs to know its own URL to function properly. That is because Drupal is going to generate some URLs and doing some redirections for its clients. If we put proxy in between, there would be a mismatch of the host name. The clients are seeing a different host name from what Drupal is seeing, and that mismatch will cause a lot of problems. Let's take a look at an example. The site I'm using for this demonstration is hosted on Amazon AWS. So in this case, the AWS CloudFront CDN is playing the role of the reverse proxy. Let's see what happens if I'm trying to log in. Oops, doesn't work. And you can see the URL changed on its own. Prior to Drupal 8, this is not a problem because there is a simple solution. You can specify an arbitrary value for the base URL parameter in settings.php. It works perfectly and that's all you have to do. However, the bad news is this magic parameter has been removed after Drupal 8. But the good news is we still have another way to do it. I'm going to show you how. We're still going to use the AWS setup for the demonstration. First, you need to make some changes to your settings.php. Let's take a look. The first setting is the reverse proxy. By enabling it, you tell Drupal, okay, we're behind the proxy. The second setting is going to be reverse proxy addresses. It tells Drupal what is the address for the reverse proxy. The third parameter tells Drupal which host headers to be trusted. Next, we're going to make some changes to the AWS CloudFront. We click on our distribution and edit the origin. Here we need to add a customer header. It's called x-forwarded host. And we put the value to the host name of the reverse proxy. You also need to make sure the cookies are correctly forwarded in the behavior of the distribution. And let's try it again. Now it works. Isn't that simple? We're doing this directly in the UI for the demonstration's purpose, but in real world, you may want to do this configuration in Terraform or CloudFormation. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put a comment below. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Enjoy your day.